The latch tool bind off is worked around the gate pegs, similar to the gate peg bind off, only more efficient, utilizing the latch tool, creating a chain stitch, resulting in a relatively inelastic edge. Begin by pulling the needles to hold. Draw the working yarn between the two gate pegs to the immediate left of the last stitch in work. Using your hand, tension the yarn and pull the needle butt back once you've locked the hook of the latch tool into the hook of the needle. Transfer the stitch onto the latch tool and pick up the working yarn, drawing it through using the latch tool. Pull the needle butt back, linking the two hooks together. Continue pulling the needle butt back to transfer the stitch to the latch tool and manually draw one stitch through from behind the gate pegs. This action forms a chain stitch around the gate pegs, ensuring the bind off is not worked too tightly, causing the edge to draw in. It's important to remember that using the latch tool is not the same as using the transfer tool. The latch tool cannot push needles in, it can only pull them out. Therefore, it's necessary for your hand, that's also tensioning the yarn, to pull the needle butt back and draw the latch tool through the stitch to transfer it. When working this bind off, avoid pulling too large of a loop using the latch tool. Practice drawing the needle back with your thumb and forefinger to meet the hook, not drawing the hook of the latch tool all the way out to meet the hook of the needle in hold position. Once you've bound off the last stitch, draw a large loop through the stitch with the latch tool and cut the yarn tail. Yarn tail length is dependent on what you'll do next in the knitting, whether it'll be used to seam up an edge or whether you only need a small bit of yarn to weave in to clean up your sample garment knitting a bit later. Once the final stitch is secured, pull or peel the work off the gate pegs.